I'm checking your temperature.
Trying to figure you out when I kick game. Go too fast, let me switch lanes.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a updated room tour. I already did one of these like almost 2 years ago in 2016 and my room has changed a lot since then. So I just want to give you like an updated version of my room so you can see where I do my videos and my setup and what I live in on an everyday basis. So yeah, let's go into my room. Alright. Okay, so when you first walk into my room, this is what you see. Obviously from my last video, the layout has changed a lot. I really like how it is now. So let's do this exactly like my last video. So to the right, this is my computer. So I have a wall-mounted monitor or TV mounted on my wall. It's not even, I know, it makes me angry as well. But I have this mounted to my wall, which is connected to my tower. Then I have this little storage decoration area. This has my speakers, my candles, my Victoria's Secret sprays that smell freaking amazing. And then I have these things for school books, just decoration stuff, and then skincare as well. I have this grate on my wall. It has my calendar. It has these pegs that I'm going to be putting Polaroids on because I used to have Polaroids on it, but it fell off the wall and I lost some of the Polaroids. So that wasn't too good. I literally don't know where they went. They're gone. And then this is a new addition to my room. This is my desk. It looks really messy on camera, but it's not, I promise. I have this study jar, so I put all my subjects in this jar and draw one out, and then I study whatever subject it says. Some candles, some succulents, my fake fish, my hair straightener and brush, and then I have just some of my electronics charging over on my desk. And then next we have my side table. So my side table just has my adorable flamingo light. I have this mini fountain on my side table as well. And then under here I just have like first aid and nail care stuff. Then we have my big beautiful bed. I usually film from this angle. Fluffy pillows I got from Kmart for $10 each. My sequin pillow I got for Christmas. This is also from Kmart. I think it was $30 or $40. Over here I just have my camera stuff. So I've got my ring light that I got for Christmas and my camera just sits in the middle. And I put it over here and then just plug it in. And then there's my tripod and my old tripod that I probably should get rid of. And in here I still have this poster. I'm not really into K-pop anymore, but I still like BTS. And I still just have this poster hanging up so that I can keep it in the best condition possible. And then it looks messy, but I promise you it's organized. I've got some makeup underneath, my new makeup bag, backpack, and then the rest of my camera stuff, and then a game that's not even mine. Yeah, so into the main section of my closet. My room's obviously not finished yet. I want to get sliding doors and stuff. So over here I just have my clothes and my shoes, hair stuff, and files still. And over here is just like really messy. It's jewelry. I've got my necklaces hanging from there, my hats, and just jewelry there. And then over here I've got my full-length mirror, and I still have all my photo cards and stuff up here, which I'm actually going to be selling on my Depop. So the link to my Depop will be in the description down below if you're interested in buying any of my stuff, like my clothes. And by the way, this hair, it just won't sit down. I'm sorry, I can't fix it. And then I also got this BTS poster as well that I got given when I was in Japan by the girls. I've got my handbags and my tote bags down here. And then I've got my laundry basket. This is messy. This is just all my art stuff. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed my room tour. I have put this on my Instagram multiple times. This to see if you guys really want to see one, and today it was the most voted one, so just follow me on Instagram so that you can be involved in the voting process of what videos that you would like to see next. And yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, which is down below, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all later. Bye!
So slide through. I just want to be inside you. These are the words of a side dude. I don't get caught up on titles. I'd rather sit back and be idle. I need you just the way you need me.